Summer is officially grilling season, and I've been making this steak salad on repeat because it's fresh, filling, and honestly so easy. This is what I love about summer recipe. You don't need anything complicated, just crisp, green, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, sweet bell pepper, thinly sliced red onion, and creamy avocado. I wrap dry spices over my flank steak and let it marinate while I prep the vegetables. After about 30 minutes or more, at least 30 minutes, the steak is ready for the grill. The star of this recipe is the chimichurri. I love that it does double duties. Half of it, you can use half of it for your steak or not. Here I just try to use dry spices because I thought it was just easier on the steak and you didn't want any burnt part. So for this marinade, for this chimichurri, I'm adding fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic, basil, red wine vinegar, olive oil, some salt. You can add salt and pepper. I use salt and pepper. You can add red flakes. So it's really up to you. I don't blend it completely smooth because I like a little texture. Those little piece of herbs makes the dressing look beautiful and taste even better. Also, you might have noticed that I'm wearing my Congo jersey today. It's because this is World Cup and it's been so much fun to watch. Seeing the DR Congo make it to the World Cup made my summer and it was so exciting. So excited to watch, so I had to represent while cooking. So now we are prepping our vegetables. So I'm prepping my cucumbers, red pepper, red bell pepper. I like them in a salad. I feel them so fresh. I like some red onion in the salad. You can omit them if you don't like onions, but I like the red onion. I think it works perfectly in the salad. Quick tip about onion: you can tame them by soaking them in water for cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes to remove that harsh sulfur. So to plate it, I'm starting with the greens and I add all the vegetables. You can lay all your vegetables and then you're gonna lay your warm steak, but we're gonna get to the steaks. But I prefer to lay my vegetables, so my greens, my cucumbers, my tomatoes, my peppers, onions, and then I have to finish with avocado. And then I'm gonna drizzle over this fresh chimichurri that we saved earlier. This dressing is honestly what brings everything together. It's bright, garlicky, fresh, and full of herbs. It makes the steak taste even better and gives vegetables so much flavor without feeling heavy. That's why I love this recipe during the summer. It's hearty enough to be dinner, but it's still light and refreshing. You leave the table feeling satisfied instead of weighted down. Make sure your grill is nice and hot so you can get a great sear. I like my steak well done. My family likes it well done, so I cook it until it is well done. And the hardest part is waiting. Let the steak rise before slicing. Those few extra minutes makes the difference because all the juice stays inside the meat instead of running out onto the cutting board. And I also season after grilling my meat just to make sure that the meat is not too dry. Also, you want to slice the steak nice and thin against the grain. That keeps every bite tender. Time to put everything together. It's also perfect if you are having friends over for a barbecue because you can prep almost everything ahead of time, grill the steak, toss the salad together, and dinner is ready. If you are looking for a fresh summer meal that's packed with flavor, this chimichurri steak salad definitely deserves a spot on your menu. I'll see you on the next one.